Hi guys, it's Ria here and I am a Twitch streamer. Today I'm doing an LG unboxing with Currys. This is my first impression and this is the OLED Flex. I'm not gonna lie, this box is pretty huge, especially there's only a 42 screen inside, but that is because it's already assembled. So I think we should get inside and see what we're working with. So I've actually got George from Currys. I'm gonna draft you in, come help me set it up. Oh, thank you.
Pop that, man.
Okay, now we've got it out. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Wow, that is beautiful. Amazing. Let's do the important bit. Peeling off this screen protector. So satisfying. Oh my God, look at that gloss. And there we have it. Okay, so looking at this, you will see an important transit screw, aka this yellow tape. You want to pull that off so you can adjust the height. So let's do that. There we go, very important. So these are all the accessories that come with it. So these just go on the back of the stand. So obviously cover up all wires, everything. We have the clip. This will clip all the wires in place. The infrared cable, HDMI cable, and we have the batteries for the magic remote. Let's get this out, see what it looks like. And that has the curved button option, which obviously helps curve the screen. But now let's have a look at the connectivity of this OLED Flex. So if you look a bit closer, we can see the ports are included in the stand. So this display is mounted to the stand because of the ports and the motor which controls the curve. We have 4 HDMI ports, which are 4K by 120 Hz. Now this basically means refresh rate, which is so important when gaming, just means like a smoother experience. At the top, we have the 2 USB ports. We also have one at the bottom, and then we have the hidden one just down here. We also have the optical port, and lastly, we have the 3.5mm jack. Just to top it off, we have an amazing fusion lighting on the back, which looks beautiful. This is all set up and I'm so excited to give this a go. And if you guys want to check out more of this LG OLED Flex, you can go online or into any of the Currys stores.